release me from my winter hell. I've got candles and candy, I can be your daddy if you only let me creep into your prison cell. Hey baby, can you tell I'm not a criminal? Your choice is seminal. I want you to stay true to what's right for you. No matter who or know what will others say, just find your way and try to stay true. Just speak low, stand in your row, try not to show this life's a show. Try not to glow way down below. Oh, it's a lot of woe, and that's not a place where you would like to go. I've got cigarettes and brandy, which could come in handy if you just help me loosen up my hand grenades fuse. Baby, don't refuse my truth, but it's up to you now to choose. I want you to stay true to what's right for you. No matter who or know what will others say, just find your way and try to stay true. I want you to stay true to what's right for you. No matter who or know what will others say, just find your way and try to stay true, 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 true.
All right, all right, all right. It's time, ladies and gentlemen. The verdict is in. Okay, everything's looking good there. We're just waiting. That was super, super duper, ultra, ultra quick. So quick. How long could they have been deliberating? Like, I feel like what happened yesterday, we were a little bit behind, but not much. So what? They deliberated what? 15, 20 minutes yesterday. 10 minutes today. Usually there's a clock. There wasn't even a clock. Oh my goodness. Because they would have come in at 10 o'clock this morning. So that's noon my time. It's 12:48 now. So what is that? 13 minutes. Bottom line is me and Lee the Bee way over estimated. So by the Price is Right rules, we're out. Probably, Sarah. It's good to see everybody. Let me say hi to you guys while we wait, okay? Hey, Brandy. Hey, Tess. Hey, Sarah. Hey, Creative Minds. Good to see you, Bogart. Chicken Lady. Sissy's mom, Jan. Good to see you. Becky P. Hey. Crocheting. Bammy, good to see you. Violet, hello. Let's see, Nicole, hi, good to see you. Welcome in. Let me see. Crafty Chris, hey. He barely deliberated at all. Neat Noodle, what up, what up, what up? All right, you're late, but not that late. We just started. The verdict is in. Y'all, I've been sitting here working on this video. And hey, J Rose, good to see you. Crafty Chris probably. Crafty Chris said I had said since they weren't giving them lunch, I pegged under 2 hours. For real, for real. So yeah, here we are. It is time. I got to shout out Wolfie. Wolfie's picture that she sent me yesterday that she made. This one was the obvious inspiration for today's thumbnail. Thank you, Wolfie. Thank you, thank you. I bet Judge Boreski is like, okay, we're almost done with this lady because all that's left is sentencing. So, yeah, we're almost done here. Did that officer just pull his card out of his shirt like that, tucked away? Well, you guys are right. Yay, I'm glad Colby is there with Brandon today. That's awesome. That's amazing. Yeah, I would be so completely over Lori. I would be. I can't stand her. Hey, Leslie, good to see you, babe. Welcome in. Everybody is over Lori. It's time. You know, at this point, all that we need to do is get through sentencing. Lori and Chad fade away into obscurity, and let's go get the Melanies, both of them. I do think that we should too. I think we need to check the belt to make sure that it's in good working order, just in case. All right, let me make sure I have sound on. Yep, got sound on. Closed captions are on. All right. Everything is going good. Hey, honeybee. Good to see you. Honeybees, good to see you too. Welcome in. I'm so glad everybody is here. Justice for Brandon. Absolutely. No, Sissy's mom, you did not miss it. We just got here. Violet asks, think Lori is nervous? I don't know. What do you guys think? My personal opinion is no. She don't care. She doesn't care. Do demons get nervous? No. So I don't think she is. It makes me nervous though when they say verdict is in and there's all this activity in the courtroom and yet there's no noise, there's no sound. It makes me so nervous. All right, so anybody that is wondering what's going on with the Karen Reed trial, so they are done. The jury instructions are going to be finalized. Judge Bev's thinking about some things. And tomorrow will be closing arguments, then jury instructions, and then that's it. That's all. It's over. It's in the jury's hands. I'm curious. I actually think that the verdict, I think that the deliberations will be short tomorrow as well. I do. I think the jury is going to get one more lunch on the Commonwealth's dime, and then that's it. That's all. So, you know. That's right, Tess. Guilty today, not guilty tomorrow. Oh, Sissy's mom, I would take that baby for a play date. Absolutely. There's nothing like a little puppy love. I'm over here watching. Oh my goodness. Apparently, there's like a 5-minute delay. Hold on. So we'll see. We should be getting there any moment now. Oh, yes, I did. I did, Leslie. I asked if demons get nervous. I did. I did. I don't know what it's like to be a demon, and I don't have, thankfully, I don't have any experience with demons. So the only experience with demons that I have is through supernatural, which is why I know that Chad's religion is basically based on season 2 of Supernatural, maybe a little 3 and 4 mixed in there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Tess. You know what? I would like to see. Can you, Brandy said, can you imagine if Karen Reed's jury comes back with a not guilty verdict in less than an hour? I need to see, like, they need to do a split screen, like one camera on Karen and one camera on Brennan. Not Lally. I think that's a big fat waste of camera time. I mean, let's be honest, he barely really participated in this trial at all. Less than 30 minutes. We were trying to figure it out. Yeah. Justin Lum said it took the jury less than 30 minutes to deliberate. Holy wow. Justin Lum, shout out to you for doing the math, sir. We appreciate that over here at the ward. I'm working on a video called Hank Brennan, Science and Ham Sandwiches. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. Yeah, I usually try to make the thumbnail for Verdict Watches kind of fun. So I try. I need to fix the title, actually. Let me go over there and do that because we now have the verdict. So let me just keep it. Let me fix it. You know how I am with all that business. I like to keep it all accurate and all of the things. Oh. There's a Dracula official trailer 2025. I might have to check that out. Stop getting distracted, Bindi. Go fix your title. All right, here we go. Sorry. Let me delete this. All right, let me delete that. All righty. We should be good. All right. Hey, Chris Jackson, good to see you. Good to see you back. Oh my God. What if Lori came back at Melanie BP's lawyer in her upcoming trial? Can you imagine the fights at the table? I imagine it would go something like this.
No, you shut up! Don't talk to me! Don't talk to me, criminal!
Okay, I'm going to ask. There was an interesting little question last night. And hey, Sharon, good to see you. Welcome in. There was an interesting sidebar last night on Duty Ron's Live, and he was asking about how did the chat think that Hank Brennan has his ham sandwich. Like, how does he have it fixed? Now, I'm going to tell you right now, straight away. I said this last night. I think he has it dry. No mayonnaise, no mustard, no condiment of any kind, which is why he's so crabby. So, what do you guys think? Oh, Poppy escaped last night, chicken lady. Bless it, Poppy. Oh, I know, creative minds. Creative mind says this jury ain't messing around. They want to go home. Little do they know what's about to hit them when they leave. I know. I believe this. Tess says supposedly Emma and Garth talked to Lori and Chad. Emma passes the messages for them too. Yes, I believe that. I do believe that. And the reason I believe that is because that's basically what Emma testified during Chad Daybell's trial, right? So why would we think that that's changed all of a sudden? Uh-oh, what happened? Uh-oh. That's weird. Tess, if you say that combination of words one more time, you're going to be blocked and reported. And you're going to get this face. Where's that at? All right, here she comes. The devil's sister. Oh. Lori, you're not getting the balance of Polydent right. Why is there no sound? Oh, immediately Lori goes for the tissues. Actually, I'm kind of glad there's no sound. Hey, Jojo, good to see you. It's terrible. It's absolutely terrible. She's ridiculous. Hey, Becky P. Did I say hi to you, babe? Hey. Oh, here we go. There's noise. Okay, I can relax. I like that Judge Bresky puts a notice there. Judge Bresky ain't playing with you people. Put your stuff away. It's brassy and yellow, and it's also uneven. Like, look, there's a huge chunk over here that she didn't even get. It's weird. Wolfie, what up, babe? Did you get to? Yes, let me see. OMG, I love your picture. Yes, I do. I love it. Did you get my shout out, babe? You might have missed it. I shouted you out because you're that picture you sent me is the inspiration for today's thumbnail. Ow. Yeah, I gave you a shout out, Wolfie. You're one of my faves.
All right, the jury is present. Everyone can be seated. Do we have a foreperson? Has the jury reached a verdict?
Yes.
Will you hand the verdict to my courtroom assistant?
We very well may be, Brandy. You'll just have to wait and see.
All right, the clerk will read and record the verdict.
In the Superior Court of the State of Arizona, in and for the County of Maricopa, State of Arizona versus Lori Daybell, CR 2022-001242-001. Verdict count 1. We, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action upon our oaths, do find the defendant, Lori Daybell, as to the crime of count 1, conspiracy to commit first-degree murder occurring on or about October 2nd, 2019, as follows. Guilty. Signed, foreperson. Are these your true verdicts, so say you one and all?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, on the court's own motion, I'll ask the clerk to poll the jury.
Juror number 1, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 2, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 4, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 5, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 6, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 8, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 9, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 11, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 12, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 13, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 14, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 15, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
All right, members of the jury, I'm going to excuse you at this time. I have one more legal issue I need to resolve before you can be released from the admonition. So please just hang tight in the jury room for what's hopefully a few minutes, and then we will let you know if we need your further service. So please retire to the jury room, and please, the admonition still applies.
All rise to the jury.
All right, please be seated. The jury is no longer present. And aggravation phase, we're prepared to proceed with. I'll ask the defendant. Yesterday, you indicated you didn't want to proceed with that and you would rather admit those aggravators. Is that still your desire?
I will still stipulate, Your Honor, even though I object to having an aggravator phase at all.
Okay, so the state has alleged this is a dangerous offense. Do you understand? And the state has also alleged that this particular crime that you've been found guilty of involved the use or of an accomplice. Is that the extent of the aggravators that you want to prove up?
To the jury, yes, that's all we were going to ask to do.
All right. So, Ms. Daybell, do you understand you have the right to have a jury decide whether or not those aggravators are proven beyond a reasonable doubt?
I do understand that.
And do you understand that by admitting those aggravators or stipulating to them that you'd be waiving your right to have a jury do that?
Correct.
Has anyone forced you or threatened you in any way to get you to waive that right to have a jury decide those two issues?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything to get you to waive that right to have a jury decide those two factors?
No.
Are you waiving those factors of your own free will?
Yes.
The court finds and do you in fact stipulate that this was a dangerous offense?
I do stipulate to that fact.
And you also stipulate that this particular crime would have involved did involve the use of a presence or use of an accomplice?
I will stipulate to that fact as well.
The court finds those to be knowingly, voluntarily, intelligently entered into stipulation. The court will find that those do exist as a legal determination. I'll order a pre-sentence report be prepared on both cases.
Can I waive a pre-sentence report and try to move up sentencing?
No, we're going to have one prepared. Let me ask the state, as far as the state's presentation and how many people might speak at sentencing, do you have an estimated time?
Your Honor, 1 second. Your Honor, Because we are sentencing both cases together at the same time to be safe, if we could block off a couple hours, because there are obviously next of kin and victims from both cases. It
All
may
right.
be less than that, but I think to be safe, if we could do that.
All right, this courtroom is going to be taken over by Judge Myers in a week and a half, but he is out the whole week of July 28. So this courtroom would be vacant. We could use this courtroom. So I can do it pretty much any day that
One-
week.
Second, I think that,
Your Honor, is that more than 30 days? Doesn't it have to be within 30 days?
It is more than 30 days.
I said it's like trial, like you can object to the past 30 days, but they can find extra.
and I think because we do have people flying in, they would prefer a Friday. I don't know if August 1st.
I can also do it Friday, July 25th.
I know that's close on a couple of their schedules. Let me just make sure they're able to fly here. Your Honor, the 25th of July would also work.
All right, does the defendant want to be heard on a sentencing date?
Do I want to be heard?
On a sentencing date, yeah.
Do I want to speak on sentencing day?
No,
Is that what
I
you're
meant,
asking me?
Do you want to be heard on what
The
date?
timing?
Yeah, what date I should set this for?
Yes, I would like it to be within 30 days if possible.
All right. The soonest available is July 25th. I'll set it from 9 a.m. to noon, just to be safe, on July 25th in this same courtroom. Anything else?
Can you do anything about the timing of me being transported after that?
Actually, I would like the county attorney and/or the sheriff's office. I don't know if I need to make specific orders on the record regarding transferring back to Idaho. I don't know what the interstate agreement was on having her transported here.
It was immediately after, but I think they have up to 30 days to pick me up. That's why I wanted the sentencing to be moved up, because they still have 30 days after that.
Okay.
If there's
so
something you can do about that.
I guess what I'm requesting from any party, either side or the sheriff's office, is what particular language people are looking for in order to accomplish that transfer.
I will reach out to our extraditions.
All right. All right, so we will be at recess. All right, thank you.
Yeah, he's.
All right, I'm going to hang out for a little bit because I kind of want to see if there's like a press conference or, if they have, if Court TV is going to cover what goes on outside. Okay, so Tess says she wants back in Idaho badly. Why do you think? Personally, I think it's a couple of things. Okay, we know that her appeal has been filed, so that's one. Okay, reason. I think she wants to be back in Idaho. What is wrong with me? Idaho. All right. And the other reason is there's Kay right there. She's talked about this before. Okay. She's talked about, let me see if I'm going to pull up YouTube real quick in case they cut off here, and I'll see if there's a presser or something afterwards. Anyway, I'm going to try to find a pool feed rather than do that. hidden true crime rather than do that test because that can be a problem. So let me just go over here while I'm talking to you guys and stop sharing this. Let's see. Let's see. But Lori has talked about the accommodations, as it were. Hold on. Court TV is still live, which tells me that it's a good possibility. No, they're not. Okay, hold on. Yeah, they're not still live, are they? Let me see. They are still live. So give me a second. Let me just hold on. Anyway, I think that the main reason that Lori wants to be back in Idaho is because of the accommodations. The food apparently is better. The everything is better in jail. So let me look at. It says that they're still live. Hold on. Let me look at this. But they're not. That was lies. YouTube. Wait, hold on a minute. Who else is covering this? This one. This channel is. Hold on. I think I got it. Hold on. Give me just a sec. I had to switch accounts because it made me go to. It went to a commercial, and you know how I feel about that. I don't have no patience for no stinking commercials. Give me a second. Now I have to find it. I'll just do it like this. I mean, there is a press release on East Idaho News, but I don't know if I can stream that. Like, hold on a second, you guys. I mean, hold on a second. I don't know if that's allowed. I don't know if I can stream Nate. I'll try. Okay, that's the one I was going to go to. Fox 10 Phoenix. Okay. Let me look at that. Thanks, Tess. Let me look at their channel and see. See this. I mean, they are live, but it's like a panel. And I'm worried that they're not gonna, hold on. I'll do it like this. Hold on. Just bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. I'll find it. I will find it. Let me see what this is. Nope. Let me do this. Let me do this. Give me a second, you guys. I will, I mean, Fox 10 has it, but it's like a panel, and the only person that has the press conference is Nate, and I just don't know what to do about that. I feel like Nate would be okay, though. I feel like Nate isn't like that. So I'm just going to go back to Nate.
Will come down and give a brief statement, as will Brandon Boudreaux. They're going to address the media, and so we are waiting for them. A couple of former jurors who were in Charles Vallow's trial.
What do you guys think? You think this is okay, or should I just do, I don't know what to do, because this is like his live stream. It's not actually like, no, I just don't feel like this is right. Like ethically, I don't feel like Nate would get mad, but just ethically, I don't feel like it's right. I don't know why. I just don't. I don't think it's right. I just don't think it's right. In fact, you know what? I'm going to end it because I don't think it's right. And I can't find one that is like just like a media news like pool feed. And I just don't want to do that to Nate. So what I'm going to do is this. Give me just a second. Let me do this. Okay. I'm going to copy this link. And they're all waiting out there for Brandon Boudreaux and Kay Woodcock. Everybody is over at Nate's. So I'll tell you what. I do not want to do that. That's just not cool. So here is the link. I'm going to go over there. Let's all go support Nate Eaton and let him know, well, don't do that. Don't do that. I lied. Don't do that. I take it back. Don't say the word sent. You don't mention me at all. Let's just go be supportive of Nate. He deserves this moment. He's done an incredible job reporting on this. He's followed it. Let's give Nate the respect that he deserves and go over there and support him. All right. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate it very, very much. If you would do me a favor and give me a thumbs up on the stream, I would be very grateful, and I'll see you guys over there. All right. Bye.